was a delivery done in the 18 Marines, supposedly the joint affidavit of the 18 Marines pointed to a delivery to one of the Congress persons, no? One of the congressmen or was congresswomen. But when we investigated that angle, it appears that this delivery was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco. That picture that was put in the affidavit was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco. So it's not an entirely accurate depiction of even pictures. What you see here is really a manipulation of facts to make it appear that that was not, but actually they were playing with timelines, and this is one timeline that they played with, that this happened before the term of President Marcos. Some of them, at least, one picture that showed that was used in the affidavit would show us that it was done during the time of Lord Velasco as Speaker of the House. At least just one of them. I'm not talking about the others, but there was one picture there that was put in the affidavit that was actually taken before we assumed office. Maleta na dineliver sa isang tao. Ang report sa amin, pera yun naman. Oh, pero yung report niya, it was delivered during that time. So, you're talking about something happening before 2022. Ano ito? I have reason to believe that Mike Defensor was called to task already by people concerned with that picture that was shown. Well, he was instrumental in putting together the affidavit. I think we all know that. He's not denying it anymore.